The stress you felt when your mom said, don't forget to take out the chicken, is nothing compared to the phone call you get when someone says, please start the fire in the meantime. But I've got you covered. The method we're going to use is the cross-hatch method, or hashtag method. That we're going to get a lot of air coming into the fire. So we're going to start off with our bigger pieces. It's going to be the base. That's going to go down first. And then we're going to add our fire lighter. And I don't like putting it flat down on the ground. We're going to create a little bit of a lift so some air can flow through. Next, we need some kindling. If you don't have kindling, don't panic. Just chop some wood down to smaller pieces, or pick the smaller pieces in your bag of wood. These are going to catch on fire really quickly and start burning, and that's going to be the fuel that gets the rest of the wood going. Now it's time to assess your braai. Do you still have all those channels for the air to come in easily? If the answer is yes, we can move on to loading our bigger pieces of wood. Finally, the two larger, bigger pieces, or three, depending on the size of your braai, are going to go on top. If you need to add more wood to it, you can, but you're going to start off with that principle. Smaller wood at the bottom, bigger bits of wood at the top. All you need now is your lighter, and it's 2024, so we're using an electric lighter. Light your fire, and you're good to go. And just like that, you've built your wood fire. But it needs to be said, never leave a fire unattended, ever.